Good morning, Oak Park. I'm Carter Johnson, and welcome to The Axe.
It's news time at Oak Park High School.
Much better, much better.
Christina Geabhart creates a newsroom atmosphere.
What's your next?
As students produce video reports
We still need more ideas. What other ideas can you put up there?
and pitch story ideas.
So far we have sickness going around because people are getting sick.
Her passion is cultivating a culture of curiosity.
I love the storytelling. I love it when a kid tells a really awesome story or finds an interesting story.
Christina was instrumental in acquiring a live truck, giving students the unique opportunity to broadcast live from events, providing invaluable hands-on experience.
We've had kids walk from our classroom right off our truck and walk into Fox Sports and be able to handle some entry-level jobs in the career field, so that's awesome.
Even though most students won't pursue a broadcasting career, they're learning soft skills that translate to any field.
She pushed me to do interviews. She pushed me to go out and talk to people. She pushed me to do that different story that I wasn't comfortable to do. So she pushed me a lot, and that really made me come out of my shell a lot.
Her outstanding leadership was recognized by the Journalism Educators Association, naming her National Broadcast Advisor of the Year.
She's inspired me to become a better writer, and she's inspired me to go on in the journalism.
Her impact is evident.
It's that nice little thing that a teacher likes to know, like, yes, I really am making that difference. I'm trying to, but to actually know it, that's really nice to have.